Are you ready to learn how to share your interests and activities on Facebook? In this full guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to post interest events on your Facebook profile. Firstly, launch the Facebook app on your Android device. Then, tap on What's in Your Mind to begin. Scroll down and select Life Event from the options provided. Next, tap on Interests and Activities to specify the nature of your event. Enter the title of your event and add the date to mark its occurrence. Once you've filled in the details, tap Next at the top right corner. Here, you can customize your audience by using the audience selector to choose who you want to share this event with. Finally, when you're satisfied with your settings, tap Post at the top right to share your interests and activities with your selected audience. By following these steps, you can effectively showcase your passions and connect with like-minded individuals on Facebook. Start sharing your interest events today and engage with a community that appreciates your hobbies and activities.